Casey McMillan, and I am Senior Director at RPM Living Property Management Company. The aspect that attracted me to come with our exchange is being able to network with other like-minded individuals, being able to learn about how others are succeeding in the industry or challenges that they may have, so we can kind of cross-collaborate and see what solutions might still be out there to really look at helping the customer experience.
So I think the one-on-one business meetings have been extremely meaningful for us, as again, we're able to understand what is available, what others are working on, if it is meaningful for our business, allowing us to see areas of opportunity for partnerships and ways that we can continue to move forward, as opposed to making decisions or recommendations in a vacuum.
Value of coming to the exchange, definitely. I would recommend it to colleagues. I would recommend it for anybody who's either in the technology space, customer success space, marketing. If anybody is working in a role where you are customer first or customer centric, I think CCW is definitely a place where you want to be.